What's up, guys? Let me know when you can see me here, and we will see what's going on. I was just looking at this old chart from a long time ago. We used to look at this BLX chart. It's actually looking pretty good. Looking at the RSIs. What's up, everyone? G4L, sorry you couldn't watch. Victor, what's up? C172. Joe Astrahan. Dirk C. Donald Shoop. When is Litecoin going to go up when Bitcoin halves? What's up, Anthony? Brian? Novsky? Song Siren? How is everyone? Let me get my screen set up here so I can see what's going on. There we go. All right, now I can see. How's everyone doing today? I had to snow blow today. It's pretty nasty out here. We just got a new subscriber. Welcome. So anyways, just wanted to take a quick look at this. This is off the Brave New Coin Liquid Index, and we used to keep a close eye on this. I haven't really looked at it in a while. Remember the two arcs, and they're playing out nicely in the monthly, and then we have in the weekly. I had put from each bull run, this is 2013 top, 2017, and this one would be 2021. See if that plays out. That will be pretty interesting if it does. Curious to see what happens there. Where's Litecoin at? Litecoin is still around 60 bucks. I haven't really looked at the chart much, guys, so bear with me. And we look like Bitcoin wants to break out possibly soon. Let's see if we break to the upside or to the downside. What's up, Scotty? Crazy Greek Freak. I want to thank everybody, too, that has joined the membership. I really appreciate it. And it's not necessary. I don't expect it of anybody. Like I said, everything that has been free this whole time is still free. There's just a little more for the members. And I probably will be doing a members live stream tonight. If not, I'll do it tomorrow right after depending on if this breaks out or not. Depending on what's going on. What's up, Stojan? Merlin? Owner? Do you think that we could see one more rejection? Yeah, it's possible we get rejected here. Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. The measured moves off of this, depending on if we broke up and down just a small part. First off would be measuring just the triangle here. But if we do that, we have to break out of these trend lines here too. So our first stop, if we break up, would probably be right in this area around the 90-80. And then the top of that measured move would be around the 9200 range. If we broke down, we probably, and it all depends on where we hit, guys, but 8769 range. And the measured move could be as low as somewhere around the 8590. Depending on what happens here, we'll keep a close eye on it. Keep in mind it could fake out, come right back in. We might have to move the trend lines, but that's what I'm looking at here. G the Maggot. What's up, man? Send me your spare bat. I'm bat poor but verified. Nice. Victor, I bought Litecoin from $36 to $44, now at $60. My question is, why are you afraid to buy now if you're not afraid to buy at $400? This is time to buy. That's how the market works, man. People probably, a lot of people will wait till new all-time highs before they even buy. And then they'll buy the top, just like last time. Crypto Ted, I appreciate that. Like I said, it's not expected of anybody, but I really do appreciate each and every one of you that do that, because it's just, I mean, that shows the appreciation. All this stuff takes time. It takes a lot of time out of my days to do the videos. Like I said, I wake up very early before work to shoot my morning updates, and then, you know, the live streams and everything else involved, you know, keeping up with the Discord and the groups and all that stuff. So it does take a lot of time. I do enjoy it, but you know, it is kind of taxing. Did I change my camera? No, I have not changed my camera. Let me see what it looks like in mine. You may have to set your settings to up your quality, video quality maybe. I don't know why it would be blurry, but no, I did not. Am I blurry to everybody else too? What's up, Jacob? Let me know if I'm blurry to everybody. Have you slimmed up? No, I just placed the camera in a different spot. Where it was made me look heavier than I am. Now it's clear for you, Jennifer. Now it's clear. Yeah, just check your setting, Little Miss Begster. Go under the video where I think it says quality. Yeah, put it on 1080. It should take care of it. A bit round on the edges and the color is washed out. Bit around the edges. I don't get it. How's it going, John? All good, Little Miss Begster? All right, cool. Anyways, let's see what's happening here. Does it look like it's gonna break out? If we break out of this here, could be much higher ranges. If you guys see my video this morning, I talked about, go into the daily here, talked about and looked at this possibility of this being a, well, sorry, that's the wrong chart. Let me go back over here, go into the daily, and we talked about this being a possible head and shoulders forming, and obviously it's way too early to call, but it's something to watch for. And that 10.5 does come up as a target of a few different measured moves. So yeah, it'll be pretty interesting to see what happens there. I believe one of them is, yeah, measuring here. If we break out up here, that would get us around that 10.5. If we break up and out of this rising wedge, which technically rising wedges are bearish, so keep that in mind. The 200 EMA on the 4 hour is right around the 8,800 range. Let's go back into the 1 hour and see what's going on. Oh, we want to go into the 1 hour in this. Damn it. I keep getting my charts mixed up, guys. Sorry about that. All right, go back into the 1 hour here and see what's going on. It's right at the edge there, guys. Be careful for a little bull trap here. If you are going to play this long, I would go long just above this line, set your stop losses below it, and start exiting your trade up around this peak. I would get a little bit out around $9,000 range, depending on, you know, what your position size is if you are trading that. But definitely make sure you use stops and move your stops up into profit as soon as you get a chance. Keep in mind, a lot of times when we break out of these guys, it'll break out fast, it'll come back down and retest. And that's actually the best time to enter if it comes back and retests. That's the only problem. So see what happens here, but it does look like it's ready to break, guys. But keep in mind, we could come up here and just get rejected right away and could get a swift move down. So when we crossed 9K on June 15th, it was only 10 days later till we got to 12.6. Yeah, that's how Bitcoin moves. It is very unpredictable. I mean, it's hard to time. Put it that way. It's just hard, really hard to time. Hi, Savy, just watching from Devon, UK. Note 4.5K more subs would put you north of Adam Meister. I don't get that, man. Measured move 92K. Off of here, yeah, it'd be about 9,200. But remember, we're gonna have resistance right here. I have this trend line drawn off these peaks, these two peaks here. You know, this could be another diagonal forming here too. We, like I said, could get a swift move down and then back up, and then, you know, a correction after that. So, like I said, I'm really going to try to do a members only live stream after this. It's timing wise, it's kind of screwy. Like I said, I had a lot of stuff going on today. I really want to get one out though and start going over TA with you guys and, you know, questions and answers and start learning more together. What's up, Tim J, Dave C, Crypto Neno? Do I own more than 5 BTC? I don't own enough, I'll tell you that. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash the likes. It really helps the channel out. It helps. What it does is helps the YouTube algorithm push the video out and get it in front of more people as a suggested video. So I really appreciate it if you do that. Also, another thing you guys can do to really help is just every time you watch my updates, make sure you hit the like button. You know, usually it's got a couple thousand views and maybe, you know, 300-400 likes. Just take a second out, hit the like button, leave a message or a comment, whatever it may be. Remember too, we'll be doing a t-shirt giveaway on tomorrow's update video. Victor, I am convinced 100% that the bull run will be before November 2020. I'm sure it will, but I mean, I think it's going to be a longer bull run. It might be a couple years. Yeah, and share the video too. If you like the content, share it. If you don't. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Period. Dave C, hey, any opinion on Bybit chain? Lots of negative with this project lately for us investors and lack of updates, sketchy stuff with their channel. Yeah, I seen that and people were talking about it, and I actually went and looked up, tried to get on their Telegram, and their Telegram's not there. I don't know what the heck's going on. I'll try digging a little bit deeper, but yeah, I am not sure. I seen Da Vinci put out some stuff on it. He also liked it at first, and then I don't know, a bunch of crazy. I didn't watch the whole video. Somebody told me about it and I kind of glimpsed over it. Lack of GitHub updates too. I need to start checking that. I don't look at the GitHub stuff. I need to get on that a little more often and kind of watch what's going on with projects. But you guys know I really don't care for other projects, but to get in on something early, you know, I was worth a try. And I've seen a lot of people talking about it, so I figured I'd look at it. Love Adam Meister for enthusiasm, but only 16.1 subs. Rather sad. Well done. You for more punchy, up-to-date info. Keep going. Thanks, man. I try. It gets tiring at times. You know, trying to keep up with everything, work, YouTube, trading. I've backed back off of the, you know, scalp trading and day trading. I was starting to do more of that, but it's just been too much. I'm more focused on the swing trades again, the longer trades that, you know, I don't have to sit and maintain or none of that. So Drew Garks, Bitcoin, Litecoin targets for this 2020-21 bull run. Oh man, I up there. I bet I'm sure Bitcoin will be over 50,000 by the end of this bull run for sure. And you know, I've seen stuff up to, you know, 300,000. And I think I might be on this BLX. Yeah, if we looked at this top trend line I have off the peaks of the last two bull runs, and it would also line up with one of the Fibonacci rake lines. But if we were to top out in the middle of December and it did hit this trend line, that would be around 316,000. I am not making that call, but that it would measure up, and yeah, definitely possible. What's up, Nap? Are you still in a good mood, buddy? 100,000 to 300,000 BTC this bull run. Yeah, I believe it's possible. It's definitely possible, this 300,000 here. We'll see what happens. Let me get back over here. We're going to miss this. You guys can't hear the music in the background, can you? I don't want it to bug you guys when I talk, get turned on or something. Mona Lee, hi man, you inspire me. Would like to be as good as you one day, your subscriber from South Africa. Thanks, I appreciate that. And welcome. 90,000 top of the peak. MH, we really do appreciate your work and efforts to help others. You're a great guy with a fantastic channel. Big love to all. I really appreciate that, MH. Hoping to make some gains soon. Be patient, man. Be patient. What do you think about Litecoin Mimble coming up? I'm not too big on the privacy stuff. I think that'll be looked down on. I mean, I get it, but it doesn't really interest me, honestly. Joe Astrahan, on the previous chart, if you look at the peak before that, it makes a curve and then it targets more around 250. Yeah, I've seen people draw the curve in there. But let me go back over here. Yeah, I've seen people draw the curve. I don't like that curve. As you can see, these Fibonacci lines that go straight across in here on the rake, they are confluent with all the bounces, all the support, all the resistance, and that actually lands on one. There isn't one at the 250 range. So that's the way I'm looking at it. First sell order at 132,000, 5% of portfolio. Nice. Jennifer says, keep accumulating. Thoughts on the divergence? Are you talking about on the daily? I showed this earlier too. Yeah, we can go a lot higher still here, and I think we're most likely going to go up, guys. You know, we may have a small correction. We may even come back down and test the top of this wedge and go back up, and that could be as low as, you know, 8,200, somewhere in there. Definitely still a possibility. But I wanted to show you this. This is on the daily. As you can see, we are getting resistance on this. If we get a daily close above this, guys, that's going to be bullish as hell. And if you look at Litecoin on the daily, Litecoin's been giving us major clues to what's going on. So Litecoin's getting support on top of the 200 EMA there, which is, if we close the daily up there, guys, we're going to be in good shape. But as you can see right here, this broadening wedge I have in white, Litecoin's daily broke above it, tested it for support yesterday and got support. I think we have more room up on Litecoin, meaning we probably have more upside with Bitcoin also. I also have this too that we were watching for the last, I don't know, probably the whole week, this rising broadening wedge, and we've broken down out of it. And we are up testing the bottom of that wedge for support right now. And that normally would make me bearish. But if you look at these lows here and these lows, we're making higher lows in the price, lower lows in the price action. So this could keep going down while Bitcoin keeps riding up here and make hidden bullish divergence and continue on up. And honestly, that's what I believe might happen. 12-hour. Let me look at the 12-hour. I don't use the 12-hour. But yeah, I see the divergence you're talking about, but we still have enough room to get another push up. Remember, a lot of times, like if we go back here to, let's go back to the daily. Wait a minute, this is my 4-hour chart. I got to keep from getting these charts mixed up. I'm gonna go back to the daily over here, and keep in mind what happened back here. You know, people are worried about the divergence, but as you can see, we had a triple top back here, and they all just, that was just a huge run up. And, you know, there was divergence. Like, you know, when we were here, we were way up here. We had divergence here with a higher high. Let me zoom in a little bit, try to show you that. Right here, we had, if you look here, we had divergence. If we look at this peak down here, right, look at this peak way down here, that was way up here. And then you look at this peak, that was bearish divergence. Well, actually hidden bearish divergence, but you can see what happened after that. So that's why I'm not counting on that right now. What I'm really looking at is the EMAs, guys. The EMAs are bullish as hell. The 21's looking across the 200 here on the daily. 4-hour, we're still getting support all the way up on the 8 EMA. And let's see what happens. We're getting close to testing the top of this. Julian Salman, join the free Discord. Really good TA and trading advice. There's no trading advice in there. There's people telling you what they're doing. What's up, Crypto Berry? I'm fixing me tub while listening, bro. Keep up the good works. Makes this plumbing job easier to focus. Nice, man. I think the positions that was held below the bottom wasn't filled or buying now at the moment. Give this steady trend. If you guys remember, for a long time I was saying that people would be waiting for the gap to get filled because there's still a gap down there, a tiny one. And the people that wait for that will be the ones that FOMO in and push this up. But that's not to say we don't still have a big correction coming, guys. Like I had said, like I tried to point out here, if this does end up going to that 10.5 and does end up being a, you know, forming a head and shoulders or inverse head and shoulders, we could come all the way back down to the 7,500, maybe even 7,200. That 72 to 73 is actually a measured move of the breakdown from this wedge here. So keep that in mind. Get back over to the hourly. Whoops. And get that back on here. If I keep moving around, I'm going to end up missing this. I don't want to do that. So, see what happens. Mark Richardson, I started early 2017. It's been a stomach-turning roller coaster all the way just by the dips. Right, man. Did anyone hear that the government stole 95 million in Veritasium? I think that might be a pump hype. ANT, I like to follow the MACD and stochastic RSI on the weekly time frame, looking very bullish. Yeah, everything's looking pretty damn bullish. Actually, I'm going to put my EMAs on here. Also, the volume is going to nothing here. You can see the volume has declined big time. It's definitely ready to do a break. Definitely ready. What's up, D-Mac? How you doing, man? What's up, Paul Bear? Good to see you here, man. Just waiting on Bitcoin to let us know what it's going to do here. Let's go back into the 4 hour real quick. I'm going to zoom in on this 4 hour too so we can keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on these trend lines too in the 4 hour. The top of that wedge being, if we went straight up from here, top of that wedge being about 90.19. The top of this one's around that 90.80 that I have marked on the hourly here. So good to hear. Nicholas. Kashif Zafar, best crypto channel I've ever found on YouTube. Honest views. Thanks very much. Well, thanks for that, man. I appreciate the kind words. I get tons of not so kind words constantly. There's some rude ass, miserable people in this world. The low volume worries me that it's going to possibly break down. That's not necessarily true. Low volume is, you can see it's getting compressed here really tight. Low volume just is a signal that we are going to break one way or the other. Volume doesn't tell us which way until the break actually happens. So, Nicholas, hello from Cyprus. I can't wait for this pump. Anyone else in the UK? Just curious. Mark is asking. How many of you guys think we're going to break up here? Hit 1. Hit 2 if you think we're going to end up getting rejected and coming down. Just to see what the sentiment is here. It looks like there's a lot of ups. 0. Jacob Michaels says 10K tonight. So most people are betting up here, huh? That's kind of scary. Linear regression trend shows going up. Two, then 1. That's possible, Crypto Will. That's possible. Up, up, and away, Dan T says. Tim J said small retrace and then pop. Yeah, like I said, it's possible. You know, we stay within this. If this doesn't pop up here, you know, we could just be getting something like this. This would be A, B, C, D, E, and then pop up. So we could remain in this area for another few days still, guys. Little Miss Begster, it always does the opposite. Yeah, it usually doesn't do what the whatever most people think it's going to do, it does the opposite. You got to think that's where most of the money is if everybody's thinking one way. So, yeah. They make more money going the other way. Bitcoin likes to live in the overbought territory on the daily RSI once it gets there. That's true. Where is it on the daily right now? It's getting there. It's really wanting to break. If it breaks up here, guys, man, that's going to be a few days of bullishness, in my opinion. Could be a very, very nice move. Litecoin has been overbought the last few days on the daily. Yeah, and Litecoin got support on that. It's not overbought yet. Not too much. I mean, a little bit, but it's not that bad. It would be good to stay this side of the pop until the CME chart is back in play. It's possible, like I said, that we come up here, come back down, or just come down now and linger around here for a couple days before going up. But we're about to see if this is going to pop right now. It's definitely climbing up there. Daily, yeah. 80 is the line for me on RSI. That's 80 is where you got over. I think I have mine at 70, but you know, you can't really go about that by the overbought, oversold. That's risky. I mean, I see a lot of people say that, but if you look back, and I don't want to do it right now because we're probably going to break here. Hold on a second. All right. Long closed short Roger in at 89.50. Hoping for a break Monday so we don't have a gap to fill from the UK. What's up, K1P? Sidleno. Hi from Slovenia. Slovenia? Is that how you say it? You have many time right. Thanks, man. I try. And you know, I don't have a crystal ball, guys. I just show you what I am seeing and how I look at the charts. And my way is a lot different than a lot of people's. Like I said, I used to use a lot of Elliott Wave. I still have it in my toolbox, but Elliott Wave is, it's good for hindsight. That's really about it. It's once in a great while, they can help you out with the next move. But for the most part, there's a lot better ways to read than Elliott Wave. Elliott died a poor man. Danny needs a new pair of shoes. Read my comment too. Hi from Nigeria. How you doing, man? Don't forget to smash the likes if you're in here, guys. Help get this out there. How many people are watching? Elliott Wave is all right. Not helped me very well lately. Yeah, Elliott Wave's all right for if you get a clean wave count. You know, it's all right for that, but like I said, Fibonacci is what really works. It's not the Elliott Wave, it's the Fibonacci's. If you learn to use your Fibonacci tools, you don't need Elliott Wave. Basil. Awesome. Thanks, Drew. Much appreciated. Greetings from Ericus. Mate, are you bearish? I'm not bearish. If you mean short term, I'm the very short term right now. I am kind of neutral, but I'm bullish, big time bullish macro. And I think there's a good possibility this run continues for a while. Hello, Savvy. What's your guesstimate on the next local high? 9,200 probably. The waves have been messy as hell lately. Fibs are great. Yeah. Like I said, I really don't care for Elliott Wave. There's so many times, especially if you watch the Elliott Wave guys, nothing against them. I mean, but they're always like, well, this wave here, I can't quite figure out. This doesn't make sense. Well, figure out some other ways to look at the market and let it make a little more sense. Greetings from Kosovo, short 8,200. 8,200? Basil, CryptoSavy, please discuss what's your take on BTC hitting 1 million. Anything's possible, man, but I think if it hits 1 million, that's going to be, you know, years and years down the road. We're going to have to see mass adoption for that. And I don't see Bitcoin being your day-to-day spending money. I see Bitcoin being your store of value, just like gold. But it's actually real. I mean, they can't, either you have it or you don't. There's no fake Bitcoin. What's up, Spears? Litecoin's smashing it. It's up at, what, 60 bucks? It's holding on top of that 200 EMA, guys. I'm telling you, that's a good sign because Bitcoin likes to follow along, but Bitcoin in the daily is way above it. It's all the way above the 8 EMA, everything. Sounds like we got a new subscriber. I can't read the name. Basil. Oh, welcome. Korea. What's up, Camilla? Quackle? Is that how you say it? Sorry if I murdered your name. Litecoin is going, I'm sure of it. Simlane. Paul Bear, Savvy. I am grooving the international crowd you're drawing in. Good for you, man. Thanks, man. Hi, Savvy. What do you think about Bollinger Bands? Bollinger Bands are all right, but I don't use them because I use my EMAs here, my 8, my 13, 21, and 55. And actually, a member of the group If you guys have watched any of my little tutorials I did a while back, I did one on EMAs, and I had a guy actually make a script indicator based off of what I talked about in that video and tested it out. It actually did pretty well. We back tested it on the daily. He just sent me the stuff today. I'm gonna check it out, and but it's for less stress trading. I don't know if you get a chance, check in my go to my channel and look at the tutorials. And there's a tutorial on EMAs. There's another one on RSI. I think there's patterns and one other one. I think there's 4 of them to check out. They're just real quick ones I made before I went on vacation earlier this year. I'm loving your channel already. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. 80 in bull trend, 20 in down trend seems a lot better for RSI. Yeah, I think like I said, let me zoom in real quick. Yeah, I got mine at 70-30. Let me I keep getting sidetracked off of this. I want to keep this here so we can watch it, see if we get rejected here. Yeah, that was the thing. I was helping create the indicator for good stuff. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks, bro, for your time and awesome TA. You inspire me. Thanks, Raul. Is there a point in crypto where you would just sell all and be retired, or will you keep investing anyways? I think crypto's here to stay. I think one day, you know, crypto will be the money. And I don't know if it'll be in my lifetime, but I'll never sell all of my crypto. What's up, Sean? Victor said we're going up. Is there a point? Oh, I already read that. I think it's too strong to go down at the moment. Always keep bit of Bitcoin. Always use the EMAs. They're so good to go off. Yeah, I love my EMAs. A lot of people don't like them, but man, I love my EMAs. I mean, all the way down to every time frame, they just help. And these ones here are based off of Fibonacci numbers. The ones that I use, which is pretty close to the Bollinger Bands. I mean, it lines up kind of the same if you look between the 8, the 21, and the 55. Slimline 13, 21, and 200 daily. Yeah, I use 8, 13, 21, 55, and the 200. Andre, what did you say? You took your message back? Evening, Savvy. Keep up the great work, man. Thanks, man. Mark Richardson, hyperinflation. Literally been stuck on 89.40 for several minutes. Yeah. Yeah, and that's another reason I quit doing the smaller trades. If you guys were following along, especially in the members group, I was doing a lot of scalping and stuff, but times like this you can get stuck in a trade forever and got to maintain it, and I just don't have time to do that anymore. So I'm going back to more of my swing trading style. What is EMA? Exponential moving averages is the EMAs. They move a little bit closer to price action. Whoops. Somebody just subscribed. I missed it, but welcome to the channel. Golden cross on 12-hour in a day or two. Nice. Eventually, 1 Bitcoin will be valued at 1 Bitcoin. Done. Looks like we got another subscriber. What did we get this time? Oh, can't read it. Oh, what's going on with that? Oh, there we go. I can't read it for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that to me today. I don't know. Sorry, guys. All right, it's pressing on the line here. Let's see if we get rejected. If not, it would be a good place to long right above the break and then put your short down, you know, 15, 20 bucks before. I would not do high leverage, especially if you're new to trading. And then I'd get my Like I said, though, a lot of times, you know, we'll break up, come back down, retest it for support, make sure it supports, and then it's safer to go long. Andrew Mamo, do you use cross leverage? No, I don't. Merry Chris Abba, Savvy, if you have some BTC but don't want to add anymore, what would you do as cash out strategy? You mean during the bull run? I would probably just cash out, you know, in the next bull run when it starts going parabolic, you know, just getting rid of 5% at a time, maybe. It all depends. It all depends on your situation, how much you have, what, you know, what your goals are, what you're trying to do, if you believe in it. The sim lane, I think rejection is likely initially. Yeah, it could be. Flat Earth, agreed. Jacob Michaels, well, we're not going up yet. On Binance, price is now $89.55. Yeah, we're at $82.42 here. I mean, what am I talking about? $89.42, sorry. The hourly candle is about to close in 3 minutes. Big buys coming in, Tim J says. And sells the match. Merry Chris, thank you. Hello from Greece. Hey man, I love Greece. I went there, was it the year before last. I went to we went and stayed in Athens for I think 3 or 4 days, and then we went to Crete Island for I think 4 days, 5 days maybe. That was awesome. Awesome trip. Beautiful country. I love the people, the food. Yeah, Crete Island's badass, man. It is awesome. We stayed at a awesome resort there too. It was just awesome. It was a great time. And like I said, the food was amazing. Andreas, I love Coinbase because the coins dump or pump slightly earlier than Binance and Bybit. Yeah, that Bybit follows Coinbase and stuff a lot of times. Did you see the Bitcoin SV pump? Yeah, that was pretty crazy, man. Average Bitcoin fan age in chat, asked Mark Richardson. He's 49. What is the average ages in here? Type your age in here. Just curious. Thinking about cashing out of BCH and buying BTC. You don't talk that much about BTC or BCH, but I'm realizing that it probably doesn't have the best future. I think you're right. 31, 35, 26, 42, 41, 36. So 40s and 40s are mostly. "43 years young, me too, man." Oh, there it goes. It's breaking. Let's see if it's real. And the candle, the daily close is in like 26 seconds. Turbo Win said that I'm the oldest here. How old are you? I didn't see your... I'm scrolling up. I don't see your age on there. What's your age, Turbo Wind? Or Turbo Rewind, not Turbo Wind. 61. All right, let's see. Is it going to come back down to a quick retest and bounce, or is it going to be a rejection and come back underneath? Drew Garsk, have a beer on me, Savvy. I don't drink beer, but I do appreciate that. Thanks for all your hard work and dedication. I really appreciate that, man. Thanks for the tip, dude. Good looking out. GA Cryptos 56, Shane Fillon 48, Floyd 49. Have an Uzo? I got some. I actually still have some ouzo from Greece that we brought back with us. That's funny. I don't drink though. I don't drink alcohol. I don't do drugs or drink alcohol. I did plenty of that in my younger years, and I am allergic, so I stay away from it. I break out in handcuffs in institutions and jails. 57. Maybe a coffee then? Hell yeah. I'm down with coffee. And a Monster. I love my Monster. Nicholas, you should come to Crete Island, Greece. Yeah, that's what I was saying. We were in Crete Island 2 years ago. Went to Athens for 3 or 4 days, and then we went to Crete for, I think, 4 or 5 days. Something like that. Hey, Savy, Litecoin got a chance to crack 75. It's got a chance. Do I think it's gonna? That's my 78's my highest target right there, and that lines up with the resistance over here. So looks like this break could be all right. But like I said, let's see if it comes back down and does a quick snap retest. No volume coming, maybe fake. Yeah, it could be. Coca-Cola Zero here. Nice. Did you catch ETC yesterday or short today? No, I don't play around in the alts much. I just don't have time. I barely have time to do what I do. 64, started investing 2 years ago. Nice, man. When new all-time high, Savvy? We could see a new all-time high this year. It's definitely in the cards. What's the crypto fear and greed index? Has it updated? No, still at 51. So what do you guys think about Craig Wright? Saying he had the keys, now he has no keys. A bunch of BS. I can't believe people actually listen to and believe that guy, man. Not to get off subject here, but man, just unbelievable that people actually believe him. Mid-40s, first year of crypto, and Savvy is my #1 tutor. Thanks, Alice. Craig White is a clown. Yes, he is. He's the Elon Musk of crypto. Deception. Fake Satoshi. You know what would be an interesting experience? Do some trades based on the chat in here. Mentioning doing the opposite of the crowd is the play sometimes. So I propose this. That's interesting. I got the mother of all longs. So I'm ready for moon. How many Bitcoin does Craig actually have? I have no idea, man. No idea. Man, you missed the great 2017. I was here. What's up, Jeff Long? Andre, Savvy, when you coming to Houston, Texas? Dinner and monster drinks on me. Nice. I was in Texas last year. We went to visit some of my wife's family. It was out actually by Dallas. I'm going to California this year. Next month, actually, February, I'll be out in California. Speaking to a chat. Well, we haven't got any confirmation volume of anything. Kind of in limbo here. Joe said that's my state, near San Jose. You know what? I cannot think of the name of the places. Hold on 1 second. I might be able to tell you whereabouts I'm going to be. I know we're about 4 hours south of San Francisco, and then we're driving up the coast. But let me see if I got this here. It would be San Luis Obispo, and then up to San Francisco. We got a few places to stop on the way in, a couple people to visit, so that is where I'm going. No, I'm not an NFL fan, Drew. Turbo Rewind got goxed. Ouch. Would have dumped already, in my opinion, if we was going down. Let's go into a smaller time frame real quick. Crazy. Santa Cruz, stop by. Might do that. Are you in the Discord, Jeff? Food and drinks on me. We've got friends coming with us too, so. Yeah, definitely check it out. Join the free Discord, man. Hang out. What's your favorite alt, Savvy? I really don't have any favorite alts, man. Litecoin. That's about it. Savvy, if you had all the time in the world, would you flip shat coins for sats? If I had all the time in the world, I might. I mean, there's a lot of times you see some nice moves. There we go. We're coming back down. Are we testing for support, or are we going to drop past? We're dropping down. Let's see if the 8 EMA catches us. That would be around the 89.28. Where and how? Oh, if you want to join the Discord, go in the description below the video. Scroll down. You'll see a link to the Discord group. Just hit that, and that will get you in there. It's a pretty good group. A lot of good people in there. We try to keep all the riffraff and scam and all that crap out of there. Good community that, we report when, scammers are in trying to get people to do stuff, and try to make it as safe as possible in the crypto world, which is hard for noobs, so they don't get taken. Craig Wright going to the big house after this last pump and dump stunt, and surprise, surprise, no keys, right? Well, there we go. Are we getting rejection? Be careful, because it can fake out and go right back up here. But that's why you use stop losses, guys. If you got sucked into that, now the question is, do we move this up here or keep it down here? And that was just a bull trap. Craig Wright going to the big... Oh, I already read that. No. Nap said dump it. I could still go up from here. This is the last hour candle in the daily. So where's our daily close looking? Daily candle looks good. I think we go sideways for a bit, says Nap. Could be, could be. Grey Wolf? No, I work full time. I run a company out here. I actually own another company, and then I do this for fun. I own one company, run another. When you coming back to the UK, we need some publicity. China will pump this shiz tonight. I run a company where we sell, manage, and giant tire fleets, like in stone quarries, coal mines. I changed them for about 20 years on a boom truck, and now I run a branch where we sell them and maintain them on site. Some of the tires, I think the most expensive one right now is around $100,000 to $125,000 a piece. From my location, the biggest ones we do there are about 30,000 a piece. A 100 years ago, Craig Wright would have been in a special place, rocking back and forth and making wicker baskets. Jago, hey Savvy, what's going on? Just got here. What's up, man? Good to see you. Glad you can make it. Yeah, it is expensive. But yeah, that's what I do, so I obviously don't change them anymore. Like I said, I did that for about 20 years. I was on a boom truck changing them. Craig would have been in the nut house, you think? Depth charts are looking extremely well balanced, so steady as she goes unless the whales get hungry. How many tires might a vehicle have in total? Depends. Some of the haul trucks and articulated trucks have 6. The loaders and most others have 4. Opinion of the halving being priced in? No, I don't think the halving's priced in at all. Not at all. I don't know if you guys seen this. This triangle will break to the upside or downside. I'm confused. We got to see now what it's going to do here. Like I said, it could do a swift turnaround. A lot of times, if you watch the candles, when they first open, whatever direction they go, the other half of the candle, a lot of times it will turn around. Not always, but let me show you guys on the weekly. If you guys are... This is a possibility that I want to keep in my mind. But if we look at, let's see, if we go down to our swing low right over here, go from our swing high to our swing low with Fibonacci extension, we hit our golden pocket here on this pump last year, right? So then if we go to this swing high to the swing low here, if we have bottomed, which I do think we are, the golden pocket zones are on the 11-1, and if you look here, in this orange could be a symmetrical triangle, so I would watch for rejection around that 11-1, 11-2 area. Could come back down for another touch before going up, but obviously, no telling. That's just something to definitely watch for sure. Just thought I would point that out to anybody that doesn't watch the daily updates. Remember, I do daily updates every single morning. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post the videos. And smash the likes on all the videos. And leave your comment, guys, on the videos every day. It'll really help grow the channel. And I really, really do appreciate it. That's one way to help support the channel. The other one is to use my affiliate links down below. If you guys are interested in leverage trading where you can make money with the market going up or down, definitely make sure you practice first. Don't just jump in and start throwing a bunch of money and never put in more than you're willing to lose. But I do have 2 links down there. I have a Prime XBT link and a Bybit link. They both give you a sign-on bonus if you use my links down below. And if you want to start dabbling in trading, like I said, start out on a test net with fake money, or if you're going to go in, just use the money they give you, for the bonus. Don't get all crazy with your money. Just don't put in more than you're willing to lose and see if it's for you. Trading is not for everybody, for sure. Do you think it will drop to 5,500 before 10K? I don't think it will, but the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement of the whole move is at about 5,400. Who me said he has a stop loss set at 8,600. Grey Wolf, sorry, too many to list. First signs of madness is hairs on the palms of your hand. Second sign is looking for them. Savvy, what's your thoughts on the 4-year cycle scenario of Bitcoin? If that's correct, we should peak around mid to late 2021. Yeah, and I showed that a little bit ago. If you look here on the weekly, if we go into the RSI, this was 2013 December bull run. This is 2017, and if we spread it out exactly 4 years, this would be 2021. And if it followed this trend and trend line, that would be around $300,000. Definitely possible. Bet you don't do a tire big enough for my waist. We do huge ones. I think, like I said, the biggest one at my shop, or that we do out of our location, I think it's about 10 or 11 foot high and probably 6 foot wide, or maybe 5 foot wide, and about 10 to 13,000 pounds, depending on if it's radial or bias. Hey, Savvy, you think we get rejection around 90-50? Maybe up here. I did have these targets back here. 9100, I had my target here from a while back, and that was looking at, which one was that? That was looking at this as a bull flag right here. Daily did close below that trend line. Or no, we did not. So if we get a pump and get to close outside of this trend line with the daily RSI, that'll be pretty damn bullish, guys. Newsflash, Satoshi Nakamoto claims he is not Craig Wright. I love the big picture, folks. Forget the bumps. Check out the yearly lows, a real eye-opener. Right on, Mark. Why must people hate? Man, there are miserable people in the world, and they just want other people to be miserable with them, I believe. Raid, what's up, man? How you doing? I haven't seen you in here in a while. You expect Litecoin will hit $1,000 when Bitcoin halves? It's a definite possibility. Maybe even more than that. I mean, not at the halving, but reacting from the halving, you know, maybe 2021. You too, Toxic. Thomas Lee said pump. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to get back up there. We did get support at the 8 EMA. Andre, agreed. Thanks, Legend. Appreciate what you do for us, man. I appreciate you, man. You guys rock. Thanks for the tip, brother. I feel we hit the 200 simple moving average and got rejected. Right now it's at the 90.57, but it's down sloping, so squeeze is coming. Newsflash, I am Satoshi. Awesome, Grey Wolf. Sounded like we just got a new subscriber. Will I catch him? I did not catch it. Oh, here we go. This is what I was doing wrong. Nope, I missed it. Sorry, I keep flashing the screen, but it does look like we're going now, guys. Grey Wolf said I got 25 girls in my hot tub right now. Right on. Dirksy, dude, love listening to the video while I'm working. Nice, man. Raid said all in at 7,100. Just been laying back and took a vacation. Nice job, man. Bitstamp quite different than Coinbase right now. Sean McGovern, how's the smoking savvy? Giving me the right. Better, a lot better. Probably about half of what I was, but I'm still not cut all the way out yet. Great group we got in here tonight. Yeah, man. Can Bitcoin price go down when it comes to halving? Bitcoin price can do anything it wants, man. Grey Wolf, I'm skeptical. Mark's skeptical of you, Grey Wolf. I don't think he believes that you're Satoshi. Litecoin needs to pump, Paul. Paul Bear, that's what I'm doing. Very vivid dreams. Jarrett Hawkins, this is my new favorite crypto channel. Thanks, man. This is just live streams. Usually I raid. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Much appreciated. Thank you for the tip. Yeah, Jarrett Hawkins, if you're new here or whatever, this is my live streams. I try to do these. I'm not going to do them as much as normal. I do daily updates every single morning, though, on Bitcoin and Litecoin. I sometimes add gold and silver in there, depending on what's going on. Also, I do members live streams for the members only. I have not started doing a lot yet, but we've gotten a lot more members now, so I'm going to start doing a lot more of that. So I'll probably be only doing maybe one live stream a week in here, and the other ones will be for the members. So, but I still will always keep the live streams and my updates totally free, and the Discord totally free. The members stuff is just more so people that appreciate, want to help support the channel, and get some more info in a little more detail. Grew up. Hey, Savvy, looking good, my man. What's up, brother? Grey Wolf, buy it, drink, and ask. Bearish Divergence CME opens tomorrow. Dump coming. I'm not too worried about the CME as of right now. Joe, welcome to level 2. What's up, man? Thank you. It's much appreciated. So you'll have the live streams with yours. So, and what I do, Joe, is I send links out in the messages, and it goes to them guys. Spears, thanks for the tip, man. I really do appreciate that. You guys are feeling generous today, huh? I appreciate that. Tips are not necessary, guys, but they are appreciated. I do appreciate it. Sounds like we just got a new subscriber. Spears, welcome. Oh, no, that's the donation. Thanks, man. That thing confuses me sometimes. And I do really appreciate that, man. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash likes. Help get this video out there. How many viewers do we got right now? Just out of curiosity, 82. So low views tonight. Usually more views on a Saturday. Check Bitstamp chart. What's the Bitstamp saying? Bitstamp doesn't update. I think I don't have a Bitstamp chart up as of right now. Are you still thinking BTC chart mirrors the gold chart? No, it doesn't mirror it anymore, Sebastian. And no haters, so that's good. Yeah, that is good. Sick of haters, man. It makes this even rougher when you got, ignorant, weird, miserable people that just want to talk crap about other people. I don't understand why anybody would want to sit around and be that miserable and try to, just drag other people into being miserable with their low life having whatever. Oh, 253 watching? My count thing was wrong then. There's huge volume on Bitstamp. Yeah, I'm not going to pull it up right now. I'm probably going to hang out for another 10 minutes, guys, and then I'm going to get off here. And if I got time, I'm going to try to do a members live tonight. They got evicted from Tent City in Frisco. Cut of negative energy people 2 years ago, and some were even family. Yeah, man, negativity sucks. It's just sucks. I mean, people, like I said, mostly it's just miserable people trying to make everybody else around them miserable because that's just who they are, miserable. Poor upbringing. That could be too. That could be too. Full pull to 10.4, then retrace to 95 will be good for it. Could be, man. The haters savvy, they got evicted from Tent City. Oh, in Frisco. I have 1,400, been accumulating for the past 2.5 years, but starting to lose hope. That's when you know it's probably about to go. They have warts on their lower parts. Julian, what's up? Nice emoji there. Colonel Crypto, I have been 1,400, been accumulating, blah, 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 starting to lose hope. It's like dead time here, guys. This is just Bitcoin's just screwing with everyone, right? Going to the 15-minute, maybe it'll look more active. Colonel Crypto, what's your take on Litecoin? Don't forget to check out the links below, guys. They do help the channel out. This is the Discord group, by the way. As you can see, there's people in there posting their charts. And yeah, it's a good community, guys. Definitely check it out. It's totally free down below. Also, like I said, the affiliate links down there. My wife's webpage is down there. She has, as a matter of fact, I will pull it up so you guys can see. Inkyourimage.com. It's inkyourimage.com. But she has a lot of crypto stuff on there. She can put anything on any of this stuff you want, guys. So definitely check it out. She's got a lot of stuff in there. Aluminum signs. She can do coffee mugs, glass pictures. Like I said, she can put anything you want, any crypto, any saying, anything. And it's not cheap vinyl. It's actually quality stuff. It's not junk like you see on a lot of this other stuff, guys. It's anyways, check it out. That's another way to help support the channel, and I do appreciate it. A lot of people have purchased a lot of things from her. We've gotten nothing but great responses. Everybody loved the stuff. So what do you think of the BSV pump, man? Crazy, went up to 350%. Yeah, that was a crazy ass pump, to say the least. Paul Bear, Savvy signed up on Bybit using your link. Cannot figure out how to use the testnet. Does your tutorial show how to use the testnet? No, it doesn't. But there's people in the group, Paul, in the Discord. I've never used the testnet, but there's people in the group that have. So definitely get with them in the Discord. They'll help you out. Like I said, I've never used it myself, so I'm not sure how to use the testnet. But I know there is a testnet on there. Mohammed, I am a web developer. If you need any help for your website, it looks really boring. Yeah, man, I could use some. I don't even have a website. I'm looking to make a website, you know, and put the affiliate links and stuff on there, and maybe some other stuff with some bio and stuff like that. So I don't know. We'll see. Kind of playing with this, see where it goes, and yeah. But I do appreciate any suggestions you guys got to help, you know, better the channel, or just any suggestions at all that would help the channel out. You know, Sean said boring never. Perfect stable Sharpie genius. No hate zone. Life is too short. Go Savvy, right? Could help you with that also if you need it later. Website stuff. Nice, man. I appreciate that. I do get a lot of help from a lot of people in here and a lot of offers. But a lot of it, too, is me just not having a whole lot of time to, you know, really figure a lot of stuff out. So, you know, and I appreciate everybody that's helped me. And there has been a ton of people that have offered their help. And I really appreciate each and every one of you guys, for real. I mean, this has been fun building this community. It's been an awesome community. There's great people in it. And like I said, if you haven't joined the Discord, join it. Check it out. You know, it's free. Huge bull run would help the channel more than anything. I'm sure it would. As you guys know, I'm friends with Crypto Zombie, and That's what he said. In a bull run, that's when, you know, just tons and tons of people, because you get all the new people wanting to learn about it, and they're just searching and searching and searching for anything. But it's a little different too, having a channel like mine. I don't do the news and all that stuff. I mean, I might talk about a little bit of it, but I don't really pay attention to the news. I just throw TA out there. Do the haters offer help to you? They subscribe to my channel because they instantly hit a thumbs down when I post. So yeah, I guess they contribute. They subscribe so they know when I post. So yeah, even the haters help me out with their thumbs down and their crappy comments and their subscription. Like I said, they subscribe to the channel. So Drew, your TA is top-notch, Savvy, for real. Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. So there's 4 of them here now, probably. Usually it's about 6. And literally, like when I posted the live, before the video even goes up, usually it's like instant. I'll get 6 or 7, like right after I even announce or post that I'm gonna be having a video. I mean, it's that quick. So they're subscribed, and they might think that YouTube doesn't like the thumbs down. YouTube loves it. So them thumbs down help. It's just more help to the algorithm. It's any kind of interaction, any kind of interaction helps, whether it be a thumbs down or whatever. It all helps. It doesn't matter. So it's a monster, Ray-Van. What the haters do not understand is that even the thumbs down help the channel. All interactions. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it's not like the YouTube sees the thumb down and is like, oh, we gotta punish this guy or something. It doesn't matter. Do you do t-shirts 4X? Yeah, she does 4X, Mark. Just hit her up. Like I said, go to her webpage, and you can, any questions you have or any special things you want, just hit her up in the contact. She's good at getting right back to people. But yeah, she can, any size you want. We actually just made some 5Xs for her guys. I could have used them as blankets. It's probably secretly Crypto Kirby hating on for calling him out. Possibly, man, possibly. This is seeming to be lingering up on the top of this real quick, tempting people, right? Who knows? Who knows? Just like I said, miserable people. Mama Bear, I'm not a hater. Oh, I always listen to Savvy. Raid said yes, they got He-Man sizes. Night, Paul Bear. I'm going to head out too, guys. Thank you, everyone, for stopping in. And, yeah, watch for the updates in the morning. And like I said, make sure you give the videos a thumbs up. Take a second out. Leave a comment when you watch the videos in the morning, guys. It really helps. It helps tremendously. And it doesn't cost you anything. See? Like, there you go. Your stepma's basement. There's one of them right there. Just a miserable piece of whatever. Anyways, have a nice life. Take it easy, guys. You guys rock, and I am out of here.